I was demoing NetCrunch to a person from UK 2 days ago, and I wanted to give him an example how NetCrunch helps you easily drill down to the source of the problem. And I was showing him different views that NetCrunch creates. So, for example, here are your servers, various parameters are tracked. You can see if something is crossing the threshold, that it's a warning, or you can display some metric values and so on. And that was showing the NetCrunch that is monitoring our lab. And he saw some server with high CPU and said, "Oh, okay, can you show me how can I diagnose this server?" It was a Windows server. So I opened the Windows that was showing all parameters that are collected for this Windows server, and say, "Oh, okay, the CPU is quite high. How can I find out why the CPU is so high?" So I said, "Okay, you can see all the processes running on this machine, and if you click here, you can see the list of all processes, and you can sort it out and see the one that is using the most of the CPU." I said, that's fast. So you can easily find out, okay, this is the process that is really heavy on my server. And then you can make a decision, okay, maybe I can move the service to the dedicated server, or maybe I need to increase the resources for the server. It's the solution is easy if you know what the problem is. And in this situation, you only needed a click at the dashboard, click down, drill down, and understand what the problem is, and easily find what the solution should be applied to resolve this situation. And the hierarchical nature of the dashboard, so you can see the general view, but then you can drill down and see more and more details until you find out what the problem is, and you identify how you can fix this problem. I think this is the feature that is quite easily missed, accustomed to different products, where it simply give you some snapshots of various charts or diagrams, or some location views. These are nice pictures, maybe even with live values, but they are not interconnected. In NetCrunch, what's very useful, what's really saving you a lot of time, is that you can easily drill down from the very general level of the performance overview to the very specific information about some aspect of the server or the process or the metric. And this is what saves you time. That really shortens the resolution of the problems, and this is the metric that is often used by the management to see how well the IT team is performing. So how long does it take to solve the problem? How long the alert has been open until it was resolved? And this is one thing that really helps you shine in how you do your job, that you shorten the resolution of the problem.